AMALearning, you're about to. Specification Point 2.2. Describe the importance of mitosis in growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. To successfully answer any GCSE question linked to this specification point, you will need to know why mitosis is important. As mentioned in specification point 2.1, mitosis is part of the cell cycle. The cell cycle has three main phases. They are interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Mitosis is essential for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Let's go through each one in more detail. Growth. In multicellular organisms, such as humans. If we want to grow, we must produce more cells. And how can we produce more cells? With mitosis. For example, as a human grows from a baby to an adult, mitosis continually adds new cells that allow the body to increase in size and complexity. Repair. Mitosis is also necessary to repair damaged tissues or cuts. When you have an injury, such as a cut on your skin, mitosis is the process by which new cells are produced to replace damaged or dead ones. The body constantly replaces old cells with new ones to maintain healthy tissues, especially in areas with rapid cell turnover, like skin and the lining of the gut. Asexual reproduction. For single-celled organisms, mitosis is a form of reproduction. Through mitosis, these organisms create identical offspring without the need for another parent. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.